I'm done eating now.
You're done na?
Yes
Ano
po.
gagawin mo sa spoon and fork mo?
Ganito na sila.
Okay.
Pagtatabihin.
Oh, ganyan. Oh. Are you done, Diana? It's done na?
Yes.
Okay. Anong ginagawa natin sa plates after we eat?
Yun.
And then? Okay.
Then mama.
Okay, and then?
Make it a tower. And then make it a tower.
Yan.
Like that.
And then? Galing nga.
Like that. Put everything on the shape. Yeah. That's that.
Okay. Oh, what else? Not inis-inis, imis-imis. Galing nga.